easy, man.
Alright, nerds, and we are back with another exciting Pokemon pack opening. And, yeah, let's see. So, do want to apologize again. I keep apologizing over and over, but I feel really, really bad about the fact that, I haven't been posting too much. Like, I had that Steam Siege booster box. I actually still have the loose cards just sitting over there, because, I mean, it's something to keep on my background, because it's pretty sparse right now. But, things have been, I'm getting ready to move. I needed to buy some new clothes, so I spent a lot of money on new clothes. Because I'm, I mean, for those of you who remember that, I'm transgender, I'm planning on fully moving full-time, I guess. And not, well, I mean, I'm keeping this shirt, obviously, but I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of my old male clothes and just start wearing feminine clothes more, from here on out. So hopefully that'll be successful and not something that gets me violently assaulted. So, and there goes my phone. Awesome. Anyways, and the reason I have... Okay, well, I mean, one, I got this awesome Raichu GX box. This is sitting right there. You're probably like, oh my god, open that cast. But anyways, basically, I wanted to get some Ultra Prism. I didn't pre-order in time, and everything was sold out. And anything that I did order wouldn't show up until, well, the next couple days, which has been the weekday, Monday through Tuesday. And we're like, thinking, well, what's the problem with that cast? Isn't that not an issue? I'm actually going to be gone all week in Ohio. My job is sending me out to Dayton for a whole week, and I won't be home, so I won't be able to film anything. Well, not my normal pack openings. However, I might just do a hotel vlog, because I will be getting my own hotel room. It was great. We have 4 people on our team. We're getting 3 hotel rooms, and it's great, because apparently they had to work around the fact that apparently I get my own room. So, we had to work that around. One little advantage to being a girl, I guess. But, yeah, so I'll have plenty of space and time to do one this week. And if I can find some Ultra Prism packs to open for that, I'm going to do it. Like, it's going to be the best ever. Like, totally everything is going to be great. No, it's not. But either way, I'll make sure to see about getting maybe something there. And maybe if I can find, like, some blisters to open, I might open some regular blisters as well. But either way, but it's going to be a little slow the next week or two, because again, I'm catching up. I've almost got my taxes to be in here in about 2 to 3 weeks. Getting a paycheck, I'm just moving, and everything is just a pain. So either way, I've been rambling on for almost 3 minutes now, so let's get to the actual opening. And of course, what we got here is the Raichu GX box. This is one of these cool new boxes that I like quite a bit. They normally had it like with all the packs with the big card in the background. Now they kind of have this thing over here, which is pretty neat. A little window, kind of emphasizes the importance of the jumbo card. Anyways, I'm going to show you the back real quick. For those of you who care, you can pause right now and read it. Check that out. Does anyone ever actually do that? Like, I do that a lot. Like, I know in the beginning of my channel, I would read every single thing. Ooh, this box opened nice and easy. And I was just sitting there like, I mean, does anybody really care about me reading it? Does anybody, I mean, the backs aren't really all that good. And then, of course, you get your code card right here, which I am keeping that. But yeah, it is what it is. And let's see, let's get this jumbo card out. This is probably going to go up in my background now. I love these textured jumbo cards, by the way. They are so freaking cool. Let me set you over there. And let's see. Oh, of course, we get our Raichu coin. Very, very nice. Always good to have new coins. They've actually been pretty good about giving us a variety of coins as of late. There was a time in which everything was either Pikachu or Metagross. So it's really nice to just start getting some new coins in production. And let's see how I'm going to and just pop that right out. And let's see if this one will pop right out. Oh, yes, it did. Anyways, I got a mess I got to clean up. So anyways, you get 2 exclusive cards. You get the foil version. This is just the Pikachu from the set. Nothing particularly special about it. Just, it has a foil pattern in it, which is pretty cool. And I guess if you're making a bling deck with this in there, you might want to get a couple of yours. And of course, you get the Raichu GX full art card, which is where they're doing this thing now that they don't always include that. They won't include every version of a card in the set in terms of rarity. They'll, make promo full arts and even a promo rainbow rare with in the case of the Ho-Oh. So I'm not sure how I feel about that, but either way, since I pulled the Rainbow Rare Raichu and I do have the regular version, I now basically have all 3 versions of the Raichu GX. So I am quite happy to have that. So let's set you guys over there. And anyways, so let's see, we got 3. I'm gonna have to like bend over this thing like. Okay, so we got a good variety of packs here. So pack arts, I think we got. I mean, yeah, because there's only 4, and that's extra Mewtwo. So, let's just turn this into. Let's see. Oh, you know what? We'll just do Mewtwo and Mew last, and we'll do these 2 first. And this set's been pretty good to me so far. I got pretty much all the cards I really, really wanted, except I do want that test tube Mewtwo GX. That's the one. I think the one thing in this set that I really, really want that I haven't pulled yet. So that was a pretty hard pull, from what I understand. But this has been pretty good to me. Otherwise, it gave me my first Rainbow Rare in months, in almost a year, in fact. Let's see. I've gotten a lot of good shining cards. And there we go, code card for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you get. But, I mean, overall, it's a pretty good set. It's been one that's been pretty good to me. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Okay, so let's see. Let's do our Guess the Energy game. We're going to go with water. No, opposite of that. I'm not. Should I even keep doing that? I mean, it's not really. I just thought it would be a fun thing to do, seeing, Leonhard do it. But, I don't know. I don't seem to get much with it. Anyways, Weasel. Plusle, Torracat, Scraggy, oh man, no, not damaging these cards. A Volcarona, that's just uncommon, and our rare is a because of course it's a Manaphy. Alright, that's like, Christ, that is the single most common holo in this set, but it's a holo, so it's going back there. Alright, so we got ourselves a Shining Genesect. Let's see. Let's get these things open. Oh man, just want some decent pulls. Come on, guys. Like I ended my what you call it, the 1, 2, 3, and 4. My box with a Professor Sycamore full art. So that was a great pull. And I mean, come on, wouldn't we like something equivalent to that? Like, let's get ourselves that Mewtwo GX secret rare something. Oh man, I just love it when you can go out with a bang like that. It was like when I pulled Shaman in my Roaming Skies. Wow, Roaring Skies booster box. Got that full art Shabe. We got a Brave Loom Reverse, and our rare is. God, are you kidding me? 2 Manaphy's in a row. Oh my god, it's just trolling us at this point. Come on, 2 packs in, we got 3 more to go. I got a pretty good deal on this, by the way. I think I paid $20 for it, which is a pretty good price for a box this size. I want to say they retail somewhere for around $25 to $30, so I did pretty okay in that department. So if we could just get ourselves a good card, maybe a 3rd Shining Mew, that would be pretty neat. There we go, got it. Come on, let's get you down there. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. And let's see, I guess the energy game. Let's go with water again. Hey, got it. Alright, Venusaur, Ultra Ball, Damage Mover, Plusle, Weasel. Let me unzoom a little bit so I can just get a better view of the cards. Weasel, Zorua. I need to get the Zoroark box too. I'll be sure to get a hold of one of those. I love opening Shining Legends. This is my favorite pack, my favorite set in a long time, probably since Evolutions. And they really kind of overdid Evolutions, so hopefully they don't do it in this case. And our rare is it's just a holo, but the Shaman is a little harder to pull. So either way, I believe I have all the holos in this set. I don't think there's one that I'm missing. So that being said, not a bad card. And let's see if we come on. All we want to pull is that Mewtwo GX. I'll take the Rainbow Zoroark. I'll take any of the full arts actually. Oh, that'd be great. Or even just any of the GXs. One pull. It really sucks when you go through an entire box like this and you don't get anything. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess the energy game fighting. Nope, it's metal. Alright, so we got ourselves a Venusaur, Ultra Ball, Lily. Actually, she's been printing a lot of sets lately. She came back in this set, and then they have her again in Ultra Prism. It's like they want to make sure she stays in rotation. Bulbasaur, Totodile, Pikachu, Ekans, reverse switch, and our rare is a Shining Volcanion. I already have this, but pulling a Shining card is definitely a plus. But hopefully we go out. Let's see if we can just get something we don't already have. It would be nice. But, you know, Cass knows better than to expect nice things. They just don't happen, does it, guys? Oh, goodness. Let's see what we got in here. And let's put you there. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So, anyways, let's get this last pack. Oh, look, it's water again. All right, awesome. Switch. So, hopefully you guys are excited to see another hotel vlog. And maybe, I know since this job doesn't require as much traveling, but if it happens again, I'll make sure to do another one. And I could have sworn that... We seriously... We got the card twice in the same pack. What? What? Oh my god. Error pack, 10 out of 10. Must see. That is awesome. Oh, I think that's the first time this ever happened to me. It's like, I was like, wait, didn't I? Same freaking pack, guys. Oh my god, that is so freaking cool. Ekans, Pikachu. Oh, we're getting plenty of these. That's such a cute Pikachu. Oh, yes, I love the reverse energies in this set. Just the pattern, it just looks so freaking cool. Oh my god, I almost prefer them over the secret rare energies. They are that nice looking. And our rare is a Reshiram holographic. So, okay, so our pulls weren't the best, but let's see. Other than, of course, we got our stack of hollows that we expected. We got the Shining Volcanion and that reverse energy, which I don't believe I have the reverse for that one. And of course, we got our promo cards, the Raichu GX and the Pikachu, and of course, we got our Zorotens there, so that's pretty neat. So, anyways, nerds, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below. What was your favorite pull? I'm gonna say the reverse energy was my favorite pull from this one. And oh yeah, be sure to check me out on social media. I am on Twitter at Jedi_Cass, and of course on Facebook at Cass the Nerd. And I will see you nerds in the next video. Later.